What's the meaning of carriage house? Carriage house. Carriage house.
Carriage house. Carriage house. A carriage house is a building typically located near the main house on a property that was used to store horse-drawn carriages. Nowadays, carriage houses are often repurposed as residential dwellings or as additional space for the main house, such as a garage or workshop. These buildings can feature unique architectural details and may have historical significance. Overall, a carriage house combines historical charm with modern functionality, making it a desirable feature for many homeowners.